If you're looking to buy the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, I thought I would use these two cases I was sent a review from Torres to kind of go over two of the different size options as well as two great case options. So basically, this is the Z Fold 8 Ultra and this is the Z Fold 8 or Z Fold 8 Wide. And you'll see, like, this is much shorter. And then this is much taller. They're both a good size, and when open, they are huge, 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 huge. And let's see, width-wise, very, very similar width. It's just the height that's very, very different. And so these cases are showing it kind of when it would be expanded and opened. Both of these cases from Torres have really nice cover on the hinge. And then when it's closed, boom, it's going to look like this. Just imagine a phone in here, but this is going to be like the closed in your pocket, in your bag kind of size. Really cool. This is the slim magnetic case from Torres, and this is the Guardian L1, which has a great kickstand on here. It's not translucent or anything like that. The slim MagSafe one is translucent and does have magnetic back. They both do, but there's no kickstand here. So these are both amazing cases. I love all things Torres. Link in video description to buy either of these or go on and shop for Torres for the model that you're getting.